Have you ever spoken with good intentions, only to watch your words land the wrong way? Maybe you sent a simple text and someone thought you were upset. Or you cracked a joke and someone took offense. That feeling, that heavy knot in your chest when you think, "That's not what I meant," is universal. Being misunderstood doesn't mean you're wrong, bad, or unclear. It simply means people interpret things differently based on their own experiences, emotions, and beliefs. Everyone wears emotional glasses shaped by their past, which filter how they hear you. Today, we'll explore why misunderstandings happen, how to respond with calm and confidence, and how to protect your peace when people don't see you the way you hoped. 1. Understand why it happens. Most misunderstandings aren't about what you said, they're about how someone heard it. People interpret words based on their life experiences. Someone who's been hurt before might read rejection into a neutral comment. There's even a psychological concept called attribution bias, which means we often assume others' actions are intentional or personal when they're not. 2. Pause before reacting. When someone misunderstands you, your instinct might be to quickly defend yourself. But rushing in with, "That's not what I meant," can make things worse. Instead, take a breath. Ask yourself, is this misunderstanding worth correcting? Sometimes, silence is more powerful than explanation, especially with strangers or people who don't play a big role in your life. 3. Clarify with empathy. When it matters, if it's someone you care about, a friend, family member, or partner, then calmly clarifying can prevent emotional distance. Try saying, "I think there's been a misunderstanding. Can I explain what I meant? What did you hear me say? I want to understand your side too." Asking what they heard shows empathy and respect, which often softens tension and helps both sides feel understood. 4. Accept that not everyone will get you. Here's a truth that sets you free. Some people will choose to misunderstand you, no matter what you say. And that's okay. You can't spend your life explaining yourself to everyone. Focus on staying true to your values and intentions. Even great leaders and artists were misunderstood, but they kept going. 5. Protect your peace after clarifying yourself. Let it go. If someone refuses to see your perspective, remember, it's about them, not you. Protecting your peace sometimes means stepping back, setting boundaries, and choosing not to over-explain to those who don't want to understand. In conclusion, being misunderstood can feel painful, but it's part of being human. Instead of letting it shake your confidence, see it as an opportunity to practice patience and emotional strength. Clarify when it matters, let go when it doesn't, and remember, you don't need everyone to understand you. You just need to stay true to who you are.